So I was down here planting, and all of a sudden I realized, oh, I should show you this. All right, see, these are nice and healthy. These are my homestead seedlings that I planted. But look at, see all that white fuzzy around the bottom? Those are roots wanting to get into some soil. So when I plant, I'm transplanting right now so that they'll be ready when I want to put them in the garden bed. They're not quite big enough, and it's not really time. So I'm going to give them another month probably before I put them in there. We'll see how big they get. But anyway, so I've started putting them in another pot, and you'll see how deep that I'm planting them. So I want to show you. This is how long this one is, and I'll show you what happens when I'm done. But I'm going to, if you can see right there, see all those little fuzzies? I'm going to plant all the way up to about right there, because it will give it a better, stronger base root system. It'll be really healthy when it goes into the garden. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, same thing here. This is the one that I just planted that I just showed you. See, I'll water them. And this one is a pretty big one, and I'm going to bury it all the way up to there, and you'll see that in a second. There you go. See, there's the last one. These are all mortgage lifters, and I will tell you, they're going to look really sad, so I'll take you over and show you a couple of the Cherokees that I already planted, and they look kind of sad, but I haven't watered them yet. Okay, you can see they're all droopy. They were so happy in their big container, but in about 2 weeks they'll be springing up, they'll be bigger, and they will look really healthy. So I just want to warn you, when you transplant, especially the first couple days, you go, oh my gosh, I killed them, but you didn't. They're transitioning, they're adjusting to the soil, to the new environment, all of that. And they will look beautiful when they're done. Thanks for watching Kaale Farms. God bless you and have a great day.